how to upload you a certain video, just to show you how to work on your WhatsApp security code. Some of the steps to pass through in setting your WhatsApp security code. You go to your WhatsApp by pressing the WhatsApp icon. You press on the right hand side, you see some three dots on top there. Then you press on settings. After pressing on settings, the next thing you need to do is you go to account. After going to account, then you press on your security. When you go to your security, all you have to do is show security notification. Then you on it.
When you on it, you go back to your WhatsApp page before you continue the procedure in what to do next.
When you go to your WhatsApp, you press on the three dots on top, just at your right corner. Then you go to settings. When you go to settings, the next thing you need to do is you go to account. When you go to account, then you go to two-step verification. Two-step verification, then you press on enable. Then you put the code you want. I will put a code like 942825. Then again 942825. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is you put your email account. Then you fix your email account. Next, you have to confirm your email account again. So I put my email account again. You press on save. It will apply. Done. Two-step verification is enabled. You see, it's confirmed. So if you want to change your pin, you come here, then you don't change email, then you come. So this one will keep you from different people or other source getting access to your WhatsApp account. Thank you for the time spent on this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, like, turn on the notification bar. Thank you. Hooray!